ऐसा बड़ा कर दें, do everything you want in your life, but yeah, don't sit there and काश कर लेती, काश हो जाता. मैं उसको फेलियर नहीं मानती, मैं उसको कहती हूँ we figured out. कितना सुनोगे यार? If you're into a job and you love that, that is a blessing.
I don't work for the Indian economy. I work for the crypto economy.
21-year-old kid. The fire is there. We don't celebrate entrepreneurship as much. देखो सुनो तो सबकी पर करो जो तुम्हारा मन करता है.
What does that warmth do for you as a builder, as an entrepreneur? High is part of service, right? उस दिन मैं तेरे को टॉपिक बताए थे, इतने क्लियरली आए कि लाइक भाई पे बात करनी है, तेरी जर्नी, you're also भाई and बहन of some sort. मैं बहन तो 100% but also भाई.
Bye. Thank you. I feel honored.
मैं सोचा थोड़ी पहले जर्नी से शुरू करते हैं. I remember I met you guys when you guys maybe just had planned to move to SF. India में you guys had a great business, great team. You guys are like excellent at marketing. कुछ हुआ कि you like नहीं, this is not enough. We want to do more. So what was going on in your mind back then?
I think वो जो टिपिंग पॉइंट वो था, हाँ वो तो था हमेशा से कि कुछ ऐसा बड़ा कर दें कि millions of people, like millions and billions of people, we could create something useful for the world. So it was always there, and we started like Soxoho was there. It was always product. We started with services earlier. The company before that, uske baad Soxoho, we were always like we have to build a product. So Soxoho happened. It went amazing. All these big Bollywood celebs, they started wearing Soxoho. It's still going very well, but it was always like, how can we win the world? And I think the risk appetite was always there, and I started in the US. US gives you wins, so it was so India is great, to build the foundation and everything. There are many opportunities, but the kind of innovation US has seen, तो वो I think वो था कि एक बारी करके देखते हैं कहाँ तक पहुंच सकते हैं, कितना खींच सकते हैं. So I think बस ज्यादा सोचा नहीं, बैग पैक किए, टिकट्स बुक कराई, and we just left
to the US.
Yes.
ये क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट था देखना कि क्या कर सकते हैं, कहाँ तक जा सकते हैं?
यार इम्पोर्टेंट मेरा जो लाइफ का क्राइटेरिया यही होता है कि वॉट एवर अपॉर्चुनिटी इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, अगर मैं आई हैव टू थिंक कि यार 10 साल बाद क्या मैं रिग्रेट करूंगी कि यार काश कर लेती, करके हो ना हो व्हाटसोएवर, लाइक माय थॉट प्रोसेस, माय फ्रेमवर्क इज ऑलवेज लाइक it's okay to fail, but it's not okay to not try, because you don't want to feel bitter कि यार काश कर लेती, क्या पता कुछ और हो जाता, करके आपको कि हाँ यार I did it, I got it, I did it. So that's how I operate. Never have any regrets. Like give your best, do everything you want in your life, but yeah, don't sit there and काश कर लेती, काश हो जाता, ऐसा वाला नहीं
करना है. Just like major
करना है तो करना है, हाँ सोचना नहीं है ज्यादा.
So you guys know me, you know कि मैं मतलब I overthink, I think about कि like गलत हो जाएगा, perfect नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. You guys are very good at like embracing failure. क्या मतलब उसकी क्या ट्रिक्स हैं, कैसे बंदा सीखता है? Like sitting here, जैसे मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि of course I want to try 100 things, and I've seen you guys do this in implementation, so like this is great. But जब कहते हैं कि यार नहीं चला तो नहीं चला तो बहुत इजी होता है, बट जब नहीं चलता तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंज. सो उस टाइम का कोई एग्जांपल है, या उस टाइम में कैसे आप अपनी थिंकिंग स्ट्रेट रखते हो, या कैसे आप इन एडवांस चीजें करते हो कि उस टाइम पे आओ तो यू कैन हैव अ रीजनेबल कॉन्वर्सेशन विद योरसेल्फ?
I think reasonable conversation, you are our friend, and हमने तेरे को तभी साथ रखा है कि तू शायद हमें दे कि हम थोड़ा सोचना भी शुरू कर दे rather than और सोचे हम. बट आई थिंक हमें ये लगता है कि स्ट्रेटेजीज तो बन जाती हैं, और आप ना आज यू कैन जस्ट सिट टुडे एंड प्रिडिक्ट व्हाट इज गोना हैपन इन नेक्स्ट 2 years, व्हाट इज द परफेक्ट थिंग दैट इज गोना हैपन. यू कैन ओनली मेक इट हैपन एंड सी whether it worked out or not. I think with even the kind of things we do, the kind of work we do, we are always like, okay, what is the smallest thing that we can launch what is like, if we are thinking, oh, we are going to do an event of like thousands of people. We did a lot of events back in India, but we're like, how do we start? Can we get 30 people together? The same is with startups. How can we launch very quickly and see? So I think failure को embrace, देखो, nobody enjoys failures. कहने की बात है कि yeah, but I would say जब आप when you connect the dots, you feel कि हाँ, I failed at that point of time, but I learned something that really is now helping me. So it's not like whatever we do, we succeeded. Now, कुछ ना कुछ, we tried a couple of things, we figured out, okay. So मैं उसको failure नहीं मानती, मैं उसको कहती हूँ we figured out. This is not right thing, maybe we could do it this way, या इसको कुछ और कर लेते हैं. तो आई थिंक जस्ट हैविंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि आज नहीं फिगर आउट हुआ, कल तो हो ही जाएगा, और जो हो रहा है कुछ ना कुछ तो तुम्हें देके ही जाएगा. सो
नाइस.
या
इसमें आप ओके, सो दिस इंटरनल माइंडसेट इज वेरी स्ट्रांग कि इट्स नॉट फेलियर, इट्स फाइंडिंग आउट, व्हिच इज वेरी
हाँ
हेल्पफुल. And obviously, matlab, now you're an experienced entrepreneur, you're sitting in Valley gives you some of this support around failure, but this journey started for you in India, jahan pe failure is more critically examined. तो उससे आप कैसे डील करते थे कि आसपास के लोग बोल रहे हैं कि लाइक क्या कर रहे हो, लाइक नौकरी करो, शादी करो, लाइक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लाइफ लो वर्सेस ये बंजारा लाइफ ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर.
देखो, जो वैसी एंटरप्रेन्योर है, ठीक है, वो वैसी लोगों की तो सुनता ही नहीं है. How much did you listen when you were into that journey, right? Because world is very fixated कि ये होना चाहिए, and especially when you grew up in India, वो everything is given to you कि ये box में ऐसे सोचना है, ऐसे करना है, ये subjects लेने हैं. So I think, but हाँ, I think support from parents कि my parents never told me ये करना है, यही profession करना है. They're like, yeah, yeah, figure it out, like do it. I think that always helped me in building that mindset. जो मुझे करना है मुझे खुद ही करना है, nobody is gonna tell me. So बन जाता है. आई थिंक जब आसपास लोग ठीक रखो, आपका बन जाता है कि कुछ कर लेंगे, कुछ फिगर आउट कर लेंगे, और ठीक है. लोग, आई थिंक, कितना सुनोगे यार आप, एक बारी ना सुन सुन के यू develop that kind of a mask or that wall कि it's okay, let people say, it's just a cloud. आप उसको surpass करोगे, people will be like, oh my god, how come? Like I remember when we started Soxoho, we both are engineers, and people were like, oh, we'll build some SaaS company, but we started with socks. And my mom used to come and tell me, oh, they were asking me कि अच्छा बेटी क्या करती है, and मैंने बोला, and they're like, अच्छा full time क्या करती है पर. So वो तो कहती है, but full time, even my cousins, my relatives, they would ask, अच्छा वो तो ठीक है, passion project चल रहा है, but full time क्या करते हो? But then obviously when they saw the success, they're like, oh, amazing,
हमें तो हमेशा ही पता था कि हमारी बेटी जीतेगी.
सही बात. आई थिंक इट इज नॉट लाइक वो कुछ गलत चाहते थे, बट उनका फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड हम सबका ऐसा है कि ये सोसाइटी में ऐसा है तो ऐसा ही चलना है, बट जिसने निकलना होता है वो निकल ही जाता है. आई थिंक द सेम विद यू, लाइक you also found your way, did, yeah, so many different things and did it with like amazing. You still do everything very amazingly.
Thank you.
हम तो फैन हैं तेरे, फैन तेरे इवेंट्स के.
Thank you. अगर मैं सोचूं कोई 20 साल का बच्चा है यहाँ पे, maybe we can speak for a gender neutral audience, या maybe we can even speak specifically for female entrepreneurs, because मेरे हिसाब से female entrepreneurs already there's a smaller percentage, even in San Francisco, even in YC. I imagine India it's even smaller. I think one day they'll have this mindset जो हम describe कर रहे हैं कि you put a wall, कि पता है जो करना वही करना है, पता है like try and find out. बट अभी अगर वो इंसान ना पहुंचा उस पॉइंट पे, अभी वो अपने आप को डाउट कर रहा हो, क्या मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, नहीं हूँ, क्या मैं मतलब पैसे के लिए सेफ्टी वाली जॉब ले लूँ, ना लूँ, उस इंसान के दिमाग में घुस के क्या बोलना है ताकि उसका दिमाग शिफ्ट हो जाए?
मैं तो अगर शिफ्ट तो मैं किसी का दिमाग करना नहीं चाहती, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इफ यू लव योर जॉब, इफ यू आर इनटू अ जॉब, दैट इज इफ यू आर इनटू अ जॉब एंड यू लव दैट इज अ ब्लेसिंग. Because entrepreneurial journey is not easy. and I would not recommend it, you know, कि just because every भेड़ चाल में सब कर रहे हैं, so you also just get into it. I would rather say if you have that fire and you are like कि यार मैं नई जॉब मेरे से तो नहीं हो सकती है, मैं नहीं टिक सकती हूँ, then definitely. And I think this is innate quality. आप किसी में डाल नहीं सकते हो. You know, some kids have it, some kids are very successful doing like MBAs and jobs, and they are very successful there and they're very good at it. So first of all, मैं किसी को change नहीं करूंगी. And but if I see somebody, I would say for girls, even if they are getting into jobs or they have that entrepreneurial mindset, first of all, you really need to build a very strong foundation inside your mind for yourself. You really need to see that you are something. You are not what your society dictates you to be. So, and I think parents can definitely help. My I would say my parents, my cousins. You know, I've always seen them succeeding. I've always seen them being ambitious. So that really helped. So I think, but building that internal thing, yeah, I can be what I want to be, and I just need to work for it. Something is waiting for me, and बस काम करना है उसके लिए. And I don't really need to think about hundreds of disturbances going on. They surpass karna usko. So I think that's what I want to tell all young women. Just be confident. Build that confidence if you don't have it, and just believe in yourself. That's the biggest gift you can give to yourself.
Nice.
मतलब हर एक के
ये
पास चले
कैसे
जाओगे अप्रूवल के लिए. Am I doing right? Am I doing this? It's not gonna help.
ये कैसे कल्टीवेट करें और इसमें कितना समय लगता है? लाइक इज इट मल्टीपल ईयर जर्नी कि लाइक आज मैंने सोचा मेरे को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है, मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट सुना, मेरे को समझ आया ओके फर्स्ट थिंग इज इंटरनल कन्विक्शन, देन आई एम स्पेंडिंग द नेक्स्ट 1 day, 1 month, 6 months, 2 years, like what am I doing in whatever amount of time to build this conviction? Am I practicing building? Am I going and working with some amazing people? Am I meditating? मतलब ये कैसे conviction को build करो?
I think it's everything together, but action speaks louder than words. That's my mantra. क्योंकि आप सोचते रहोगे कि हाँ, one perfect day I will wake up and I'll be an entrepreneur, or I'll be ready to do that. But that will never happen. What you can do is you can always think कि what is the lowest hanging fruit you can get hold of, and how मतलब आप कैसे start कर सकते हो with a very simple thing and launch. एक तो you will know whether you really want to face these many hassles, all these ups and downs, like so many things happen every day. And secondly, you would know कि जो आप बना रहे हो यार किसी को चाहिए भी, otherwise you are just making in something that maybe खुद को भी नहीं चाहिए होगा 2 साल बाद. But just launching soon is what I feel is very very important. Just telling people, finding your right customers, like PG says, build something people want. I think just having that conviction that I want to do it, and then building and launching something to figure out whether you are on the right path or not. I think this is what happened with Button at AI. We were, going through many ideas, 50, 60 different ideas. What's the problem that we could solve with AI? I studied AI long before it was this fancy. We were doing MATLAB and Python. That was different. But, when we are like, okay, this is one idea, the future of software development we have to do. And then how do we start? The websites. Any solopreneur or SMB or any company that starts with a website, can we automate that? And can we make that experience delightful? That was our hypothesis. Then we're like, okay, what is the easiest thing that we can launch? So we built an MVP in just, a couple of weeks. And then we're like, okay, how do we know whether we are building something that people can enjoy? और या बना भी रहे हैं, किसी को पसंद आएगा भी, क्या हम right direction में चल भी रहे हैं? So we are like, okay, let's put it up on Twitter and see if somebody even tries it or likes it or whatever their feedback is. We can get 30, 40 people to try it. And we put it, I put up a very simple tweet saying, hey, I built this new thing. Why don't you guys try it out? And let me know your feedback. It was as simple as that. And that was Thursday, 8:30 p.m. night. And we woke up, it blew up. People were trying it and we were like, hamare servers crash ho gaye, this and that. And lots of things happened. For Friday ko we did product hunt launch. We were number 1. And then I think on Monday we registered the company. So I think that action thing only made us move. Had we be just thinking कि यार करेंगे, कभी execute करेंगे, or maybe this is not perfect, maybe, you just execute it and figure out whether that thing will work or not. That is what I tell everyone. You can make so many hypotheses in your mind, but the world will honestly tell you whether they really need it or not, whether they would pay for what you're building or not. So I think that's to anybody who wants to get into entrepreneurial journey. Follow that. Take action. Think less, do more.
Nice. I like that. I really like that. इसमें आपका अंदर से दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? डर लग रहा है, एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, कंफ्यूजन है, लाइक यस प्रोडक्ट हंट आ गया बट लॉन्च बटन दबाने से पहले 1 हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में?
अरे प्रोडक्ट हंट जब किया तो एक दो हफ्ते तो थे ही नहीं. आई वॉज इन अ फ्लाइट एंड आई थिंक विद इन 3 hours वी आर लाइक, हमने द मोमेंट वी वर गेटिंग ऑन द प्लेन वी लाइक लेट्स डू अ प्रोडक्ट हंट लॉन्च. वी हैड दिस गाइड, वी रेड दैट. द मोमेंट वी गॉट डाउन वी हैड सारा लॉन्च का सब था और उसी दिन रात को हमने लॉन्च कर दिया. सो हमारे पास 2 हफ्ते थे ही नहीं सोचने को, ना हमने दिए अपने आप को. फिर लाइक करके देखते क्या होएगा. एज यू नो दिस dollar shave club guy, he became a success and everybody thought this is the first time he launched and he became a success, but I think that was his maybe fourth or fifth launch. He's like keep on launching jab tak ab successful nahi ho kisi ko kya pata.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's what we thought.
So I'm hearing like a very deep um, कि तुम असेस ही नहीं कर रहे या सोच ही नहीं रहे कि कोई चीज चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, या मतलब हम एक ये पॉइंट इन टाइम है जिसके टुवर्ड्स हम वर्क कर रहे हैं. यू आर जस्ट लाइक कि व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. हर स्टेप पे रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, उस रिस्पॉन्स से आपको अपना नेक्स्ट स्टेप इवेल्युएट हो रहा है.
uh, in a way I would say, you know the bigger vision where you want to get with what you're building, but you cannot predict every step on the way. That definitely, building that feedback loop and taking that action, that really helps in giving you directions. It's not like one person came and told me, okay, do this and you do it that way. It's like, how do you build a sample space and you hear that noise again and again and you're like, okay, this could be the right direction. You execute it and you see. So that's how I think it works for us.
Cool.
We do think
Nice.
on the longer run, but in the shorter run, this is how we execute.
That makes sense. That is very cool. Um, okay, taking this to kind of Indian ecosystem versus American ecosystem. Do you think it helped launching this while you were in the US? After having spent, मतलब, I think उस time पे you guys must have been around for at least a year. ज़्यादा ही होगा.
Yeah, 2 years. Yeah.
2 years. So you've been in the US for 2 years. You launched this company. क्या फर्क दिखता है कि यूएस में लॉन्च किया, रिसेप्शन वाज डिफरेंट, सपोर्ट वाज डिफरेंट, हाउ वाज इट डिफरेंट?
अब कहीं और लॉन्च करते तो पता चलता है कि क्या डिफरेंट होता है, बट आई फील द सपोर्ट सिलिकॉन वैली गिव्स यू, and people look up to Silicon Valley. I think those two things combined really helps you. कि and हाँ, कहीं और करते मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता. शायद हम धमाका मचा ही देते, शायद कुछ भी ना होता. Was it, but yes, Silicon Valley helps getting into that mindset where you have to execute faster, put deadlines, and having that support around कि we'll figure it out because people are also figuring it out. तो ये था. And I think Silicon Valley, when you are building in AI, especially in that small bubble, I would say that 7 mile radius में इतना कुछ चल रहा है AI में, I think पूरी दुनिया में भी उतना नहीं चल रहा है जितना उतने छोटे रेडियस में चल रहा है. तो you really adapt to changes very quickly, and that's the magic or the beauty of being there. You are absorbed, like you feel like you are in a movie. You are seeing everything changing around yourself, and this change is going to be like permanent. 5 years mein things are going to be different, and you are in that movie where everybody is doing, is a part of that picture. So yeah, सही लगता है. How do you yeah, that's how we met you, right? I met you and we became friends, and yeah, that's how you get to interact with amazing people.
ये चीज इंडियन इकोसिस्टम में मिसिंग लगती है.
Indian ecosystem, I would say, I don't know, but yes, the Silicon Valley ecosystem is very evolved. It's already there. I was in Chandigarh. I studied here. The ecosystem here is very small, and it's not known for startups. Bangalore is known for startups. I've not lived in Bangalore. I have friends there, but I would say when it comes to startups, there is only number one. There's only Silicon Valley. Nothing comes even close to it. There can be number two, number three, but I don't think so. There's anybody even close to that. So, जो है SF में वो तो है ही.
और अगर मैं
Have
एसएफ
you
ना जा पाऊँ, सॉरी पूछ.
have you found that ecosystem anywhere else?
नहीं, not at all. I have मतलब I have so much respect for Silicon Valley. Um, my first company after leaving Instacart was actually making a coconut chutney dip, and now I realize how bad of an idea it was from a scale perspective, because at that point my objective was to build something really big. But from a learning perspective, it was like, foundation to what I ended up doing next, which was a grocery startup. But the amount of encouragement I got on it, कि लाइक लोग कहते हैं हाँ तुम्हारी कोकोनट चटनी भी $1 billion की बन जाएगी, वो वो जो एक डिल्यूजन है, दैट डिल्यूजन ऑब्वियसली वेरी हेल्पफुल. You get connected to people very quickly to get up to date on expertise on anything. So वो I have found irreplaceable. अगर आप पागल भी हो तो लोगों को इतनी समझ है कि डोंट जज. यू डोंट नो कि ये पागल मतलब मार्स पे कॉलोनाइज कर देगा या सिर्फ बोलते ही रहेगा. So they really like matlab, they want to listen with curiosity, they want to listen intently, they want to understand what your worldview is. So I think in that way there's more openness to more worldviews at the entrepreneurial level. I think at Twitter level there's like everyone wants to say the same thing, but one-on-one people want to be like, अच्छा आपको ये बनाना है ये भी cool है, आपको ये बनाना है ये भी cool है. So वो support is like impossible to get. That I agree. But again, I haven't spent as much time in other ecosystems, maybe Seattle and Toronto. Not the same kind of support. Absolutely not the same kind of support. Um, but I think अब वो चीज़ थोड़ी change हो रही है. I think we have a lot of hungry people in India. अभी I met this kid. This is like wild. He's 21, 22. एक साल भी नहीं हुआ उसको graduate हुए. Already has like a $1 million ARR business in the first year. एक साल भी नहीं हुआ उसको graduate के. अपनी टीम के साथ रहता है. They have a nice house. They're like perpetually online kids. They're Gen Z. He's in crypto. Said something crazy to me. He said कि इंडिया का GDP is like करीबन 3.5 trillion. Crypto की market cap is 3.5 trillion. तो कहता है I'm like in a similar economy as you. He says I don't work for the Indian economy. I work for the crypto economy. कहता मैंने आज तक एक पैसा INR में नहीं कमाया. मैंने सिर्फ क्रिप्टो में कमाया. So like there's this like something happening with incredibly smart desi talent that they're not even in Silicon Valley and they're like on the internet and they're doing great things. So that is very exciting. You've had thoughts about what is good about Silicon Valley versus Indian ecosystem. I think all ecosystems have some positives. What do you think are the positives of the Indian ecosystem?
Indian ecosystem positives. I feel it really Indian positives. मुझे लगता है आपको इंडियन इकोसिस्टम बंदा बना देता है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील कि यहाँ पे यस फेलियर उतना एम्ब्रेस नहीं करते हैं. So on day one, whether you are making a startup, whether you are making a dhanda, you really have to think whether this is feasible. So yeah, so I think Indian ecosystem में एक वो support है, definitely, but then at the same time you always have to be on your toes. And I would say I agree, you're saying like 21-year-old kid, the fire is there. So I definitely see like Indians, they can rock the world. and the fire is there. The foundation is very strong. People are very hardworking. People are very intelligent. So I feel that is really important to build anything or to succeed in life, and that is there. That is like हमारा एक average बंदा भी बहुत intelligent है.
Yes.
So yeah, so वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रो है, एंड पीपल आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. पीपल आर नॉट लाइक कि हाँ बस इतने घंटे ही काम करूंगा. सो दैट यू नो work life is important, but then at when you're just starting up, you need people to be motivated. So I see that Indian kids are very motivated.
Nice. Do you think community has a role to play in it? कि like मतलब India is like a more community driven uh, ecosystem का हो गया या culture. Do you think that helps in any ways, or do you think that holds us back?
I think you definitely need to find your community. Just being in a community where you don't belong sometimes can hamper your success or your growth rate. So you really need to find your community, and that exists. Like people who want to build startups, a lot of them they moved to Bangalore, they moved to NCR because you really need to that support like-minded people. So I would say it depends. कौन सी कम्युनिटी में बैठे हो, वो हैम्पर कर रही है कि आपको हेल्प कर रही है. एंड इफ यू थिंक इट इज हैम्परिंग, टाइम टू मूव आउट, टाइम टू फाइंड अ डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी. बट इट एग्जिस्ट इन एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
And how about like India is like a, जैसे बोलते हैं कि US is a individualistic state. India is very community driven state. So एक is you have to find your tribe of people so that you can stay motivated, keep going. एक is कि आप किस culture से आ रहे हो, right? Like I think अमेरिका में business celebrate करते हैं. अगर 20 साल का बच्चा लाइक स्कूल से ड्रॉप आउट हो और जाके वो लाइक विंडो वॉशिंग का भी बिजनेस खोले, पीपल आर एक्साइटेड, वाओ यू डूइंग अ बिजनेस. Maybe we don't, so that comes from the individualistic part. On the community side, it's आप कभी लोनली नहीं फील करते. आप दोस्त को उठाते, फोन करते हो, कहते हो यार मैं आ रहा हूँ, फिर 5 घंटे दोस्त के साथ हैंग आउट करते हो. सो उसमें में कम्युनिटी इज लाइक इनग्रेन्ड फीचर फॉर इंडिया. Does, and I really don't know the answer, I'm curious, does that help or hinder in any way?
So the first thing that you are saying, it is, we don't celebrate entrepreneurship as much. I would say that is changing, especially with these Shark Tank and these things coming up and internet coming up. I'm seeing like really young kids just out of school, starting up their businesses or startups, and they're really doing cool stuff. So I think internet is really changing that thing for everyone, for kids in India. People who are motivated, kids who are motivated, they are finding what they want to do. Whether they want to go to this, this general path, or they want to build something of their own. So that is definitely changing. I think the mindset is also changing because now people know more about, this brand, this came on Shark Tank, this raised funding, this was the valuation. So India, because see, America is a very new country, 300 years old. So everything, and the foundation, innovation, or the science, it was built on a very different foundation. Whereas India has matlab, so much of history, so much of culture, and that helps definitely. As you said, we don't feel lonely. Like India, mein time goes like this, and that really helps in keeping you sane. But at the same time, I think in this combination of having culture and internet can really give you wings, and you can do anything you want. And this scenario where parents were not very supportive of kids being entrepreneurial is, I think, this entire thing is changing now. I see even in tier 2, tier 3 cities, parents are like, okay, go maybe take a sabbatical, try it out, and see what happens. So I think India, we are changing very fast, and that's where the opportunity is. That's where the opportunity is for everyone. कि अभी तो हम इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, अभी वो कंज्यूमरिज्म आ रहा है, अभी वी आर बिकमिंग रिचर, एंड पर कैपिटा इनकम इज इंक्रीजिंग. तो we are yet to see that, and in this path, many entrepreneurs, they will evolve, they will come out of their hood.
तूने दो बारी पेरेंट्स का पॉइंट मेंशन किया, एक अपनी लाइफ में और एक अभी की पेरेंट्स आर बीइंग सपोर्टिव ऑफ किड्स टेकिंग सबैटिकल्स, ट्राइंग थिंग्स. maybe in any entrepreneur's life or a desi entrepreneur's life, what is the role parents play?
See, as you said, we are not an individualistic society. We grew up with cousins and families, and it's so. I think definitely we don't think of ourselves as an Indian. I don't think of myself as an individual. I think of myself as extension of my family. It's always like you want to make your parents proud. It's always like you want to do things for yourself, but at the same time. So I think it is very important because you spend at least, let's say, at least 18 years with your parents. What is reinforced into you, right? How much did you spend? How much time did you spend with your parents? Like, when did you move
Maybe
out? At
till
what age?
17, till maybe 17, I was with parents. So I moved to
Okay.
Toronto after that. So मेरे तो मतलब more
Mm-hmm.
than half my life I've been on my own. And formative
Okay.
college years I was on my own. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I actually, my parents are a mix of, they've been very supportive and now they're very supportive. I just tweeted कि my dad is like कि light चल रही है ये light off करूँ ये on करूँ, like he like very attentively be like कि मेरा बेटा podcast कर रहा है अच्छी conversation कर रहा है तो I want to help him. So I obviously that side of it exists. I also remember कि maybe 2 months, yeah, 1 month before I got into YC, my mom called me and she's like, इतनी अच्छी नौकरी थी, छोड़ दी, 6 महीने हो गए, अब हो नहीं गया तेरा, वापस जॉब ले ले. you know so mixed bag.
Mm-hmm. But
So
I
I
think वो
like,
सही भी है, right? Your parents setting those expectations at some point, obviously, without them being too pushy, that really gives you some goal also कि यार हाँ ये तो achieve करना ही है, कुछ तो करना ही है. What do you think about it?
you're saying कि they're pushing you, so you are like कि failure is not an option.
कुछ तो उखाड़ना ही है अब.
Yeah, I think मेरे साथ यही हुआ कि I think my mom said this and I was like कि I obviously don't want to take a job back. uh, I'm down this path. I was very fortunate. The CEO of my previous company, उसने मेरे को एक लेसन दिया था कि he had tried companies for 2 years, failure after failure after failure, and then he hit another company. And he said कि मुझे लगता था कि I'm zero. Every time I'm doing something, the result is zero, 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 zero. So every time it felt like failure. But then he said कि जब चीज़ चल गई last वाली, actually what was happening was my learning was compounding. And it was a lagging indicate, मतलब it was a leading indicator of startup success. Uh, Turned out the company he built was Instacart,
Wow.
right? After 2 years of consistent trying and failures. And मतलब he's one of the top entrepreneurs I know, very humble, very मतलब determined बंदा. उस I was able to hold on to that कि अभी तो 6 ही महीने हुए हैं. And that exponential point was there कि first 6 months so it's going to feel like zero. Right? मतलब if I'm on 23rd month, then I'd be freaking out कि कहाँ है ये exponential. So that I think helped me. And obviously my mom saying this, I was like, okay, like let's prove. And at that point my determination was कि मेरे को at least इस चीज को take off करना है. Overall succeed ना करूँ, take off करना है. So maybe parents push helps that way. Um, अगर माँ बाप थोड़े ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो तो उसके लिए तेरा क्या एडवाइस है?
देखो सुनो तो सबकी पर करो जो तुम्हारा मन करता है. तो
ये बात,
हाँ
ये
ये
बात.
बात है कि करते रहो कितना उखाड़ लेंगे. सो आई थिंक ठीक है. समटाइम्स पेरेंट्स आर नॉट रैशनल एज वेल. आई I won't say like whatever your parents say you have to agree to it, but coming to a point where you can have a conversation, where you can, ultimately I think every parent wants to see their child succeed or be happy, and having that conversation is also important. But if you think that's not working out, it's okay, dude. Like, you have your goalpost, go after it. People will understand, your parents will understand, once you'll reach there. As I said, pehle mere my relatives used to say, "Acha, ये तो passion project है, full time क्या करती है?" But once you reach there, they're like, "Oh, this is something." So I think the same is with parents. Listen, जितना आपको लगता है they are being rational and they are being they're making sense, fine, but you don't have to really listen to everything they say because they उनका sample space बहुत different है. The way they live their life, their sample space, their experiences are very different from what you are learning, from how you are living your life, going around the world, learning from different people, evolving. So it's very different.
Nice. And plus, we have examples of success in different fields. Like अभी हम record दबाने से पहले we were talking about Karan Aujla.
Yes.
He's 5 years or something to like really becoming like such a well-known name in industry.
Mm.
So it's no longer ki you spend 30 years trying to build your name. The internet has made success so asymmetric. If you really believe in something, you can just like get at it and you'll see good results. Okay. So पहले हमने बात की अपने माइंडसेट की कि अपने आप को आपको you need to believe and you need to show yourself कि yes I can, and that comes from executing. फिर हमने पेरेंट्स की बात की. उसमें you basically like the nugget is सुनो सबकी करो अपनी.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what my mom also tells me. She's like, yeah, yeah, listen to everyone, but do what you want to do.
Nice, nice. So then third pillar is community. भाई लोग. So who are the भाई लोग्स in your life जिनने support किया है, encourage किया है? What does भाई mean to you?
I think bhai means, for me, that bhai community means, just having warmth around. Like, it's like when we guys meet, right? It's not about we always talk about work, we always talk about shitty stuff in life. It's just being around, being there for each other. We can just call up कि चलो गेड़ी मारने चलते हैं, या oh I have some idea, I want to talk about it. So I think that's what being a bhai means. You are an individual, but at the same time, you are part of this group where you don't have to really think कि यार ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ या मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ, क्या मैं ये डिस्कस कर सकती हूँ. You just feel at home. That's what bhai culture means for me. You just your homies.
Nice. Who are the homies that have encouraged you?
Homies बहुत सारे हैं, I would say, coming from, I would say, my siblings, starting from there.
Supportive
Yeah.
siblings.
Yeah, I mean, yes, I would say they are. Not in a way, they'll be like, yeah, they'll sit down and discuss things with me. But if I'll say, oh, I want to do these things, and they will support in whatever way they have. So those siblings, those cousins, those friends around, even a lot of times my friends don't even understand, what I do or something. But if I'll be like, oh, I'm facing this and that, they'll try to listen and think what could be the rational outcome of this or what. So I think, and Bhai Log or Silicon Valley, I think we have built that amazing network. You are my bhai. There are so many amazing people around. We can just hang out. We can just chill. We can just talk about things, talk about ideas, talk about startups. And it's always like, you always want to see your bhai succeeding. That kind of feeling when you get, from the other person, that's सभी हैं यार, बहुत सारे हैं. मतलब मैं किस किस को बोल सकती हूँ, सभी हैं, बहुत सारे हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम
अपनी
माय
कोई
स्कूल फ्रेंड्स.
सिबलिंग की कहानी बता कि how have your siblings supported you?
ओके,
Especially
दिस इज अ
early
वेरी.
on. मतलब अब तो you're like entrepreneur, तो अब तो हर sibling will be like हाँ let me help you. But like पहले की कोई कहानी बता.
अच्छा, मैं एक्चुअली दो सुनाती हूँ. वन इज ऑफ माय यंगर
हाँ.
ब्रदर. ठीक है, वेरी स्वीट. And like we do fight, we have our own fights, but I remember I was preparing for some exam and I was super tired, and I don't know, my legs were aching badly, so I was like, I'll just sleep from 9 to 9:45 and then I'll wake up and I'll study. He must be like 8 or 9 years old, man. This is like really, really young. And I woke up at night. I had set up an alarm. So my brother and sister, they were also there in that room. So they woke me up. And then, like, oh my God, my legs are aching so much. I was just talking to myself. And my brother started pressing my legs. Didi, you study, I'll do this. Didi,
8 or 9.
can
Yes.
you imagine that? I still remember that day. Oh my God. It's like, wow, that is the support. So that's there. Then my cousins, when when I was leaving for US for my MS, something happened, in India, light chali gayi, kuch ho gaya, some transformer, kuch aisa ho gaya. This guy at 11 p.m. took his car, कहीं से कुछ पता नहीं कहाँ से कोई ढूंढ के लाया, and the light was back and he helped me pack. रात को हम 3 बजे तक पैक कर रहे हैं and I had to leave at 7 a.m. I think this is what bhai being, we are very close even now. This is like having these amazing people around who are there for you no matter what is what being bhai culture, whether they are your friends, cousins, siblings, whatever. And that's
Nice.
what, yeah, these are the two stories that are always very, very close to my heart.
नाइस। यूएस में मुझे मेरा एग्जांपल नहीं दे सकती। यूएस में और यूएस में बाई एक्सपीरियंस।
बहुत है, बहुत है. So I reconnected. I made a lot of new friends. I also reconnected with a lot of my friends from college, from school, or from my college in the US. And I think, yeah, actually, I was talking to this my friend in the morning only. This guy, he वो ऐसा था, वो हमारे घर आता है. His name is Shekhar. Like, I love all my friends, but this guy is like, he's a chef in our home, in our group. So whenever he would come home, he would be like, सब साइड हो जाओ, अब मैं खाना बनाऊंगा. और like, that warmth only, कोई आप पे इतना हक जमाता है कि यार साइड हो जाओ, अब मैं खाना बनाऊंगा और सबको खिलाऊंगा. That love only. तो आई थिंक यही है भाई कल्चर. एंड स्टार्टअप्स में बहुत सारे हैं. A lot of YC founders, a lot of Indian YC founders, we are very close. Like whenever they are in SF or whatever, it's always like we are meeting, we are catching up, we are discussing what's happening, and it's a very genuine bond where you're not really thinking कि यार मैं इस बंदे से क्या निकाल सकता हूँ, but you are really building friendships for life. And I really look forward to what you are doing with organizing parties and everything. I think that's amazing, and we really really need that.
थैंक यू। तूने एक बात बोली, warmth is the biggest thing you're getting from this, from community, from bhai log. um, I want to dig into that. What does that warmth do for you as a builder, as an entrepreneur? कल रात को हैंग आउट किया, वार्मथ मिली, आज सुबह उठे, हाउ इज लाइफ डिफरेंट? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? इज इट मेकिंग यू मोर सिक्योर? इज इट मेकिंग यू वांट टू वर्क हार्डर? डज इट इंक्रीज योर ड्राइव? क्या होता है उससे?
I think drive, definitely. There is an internal drive, but when you see your peers, जो इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा peer pressure है, वो in a good way also, it comes to you. You set deadlines, and when you see your friends succeeding, you also want to succeed. And they want to help you out, and you also want to succeed. You also push yourself harder. Definitely, the drive is there. The second is a sense of sanity, because there are so many ups and downs. You know this, right? You
Yes.
go through so many emotions in one day, but it's like when you're meeting your friends every Saturday. That's your sanity point. Yeah, for 3 hours, I'm not really gonna think about what's going wrong in my life. We're gonna meet, chill, and then when you go back home, you're like, things will be okay. That sanity is very important. That's what your family gives you. That's what your friends give you, right?
Yes. Yes. To me, it feels that is one of the most important things, कि जब आपके पास वो ट्रस्टेड कम्युनिटी है, जिस जिससे यू आर नॉट ट्रांजैक्शनल इन नेचर, you're not meeting for solving business problems, you're not meeting for like मेरी ये इंट्रोडक्शन करवा देना, वो इंट्रोडक्शन करवा देना, you're just hanging out, uh, which I would say is just being, you're just being yourself. You're saying that leads to a level of sanity which allows you to continue persisting versus giving up. Okay, a leading question. Why is persisting important?
Persistence is important because everything in life compounds. You don't, as you said, the founder of Instacart, he did not start from zero, even though he thought in his mind he was starting from zero. But his experiences, they were just compounding. So being persistent, every day, it's not like you, every day at 7 a.m., I want to wake up and be like, oh, I want to work today. No, there are going to be some shitty days as well. But just thinking that, okay, even if I can move the needle a bit today, just a bit, in 2 years, you'll see you have made amazing progress. So persistence gives you compounding in life, and compounding, anything that compounds, in good ways, really helps you and gives you things what you want in life, sanity, wealth, whatever.
Nice. Bad days. Bad days is very interesting. I think this is new entrepreneurship mein that we talk about bad days. I think maybe this was not the conversation 10 years ago. And I feel ki the highest value we can provide to entrepreneurs is helping them understand bad days, right? Good day तो मतलब आपका किसी का 10 दिन में एक दिन गुड डे आता है, किसी का 2 दिन में एक दिन आता है, 100 में से 100 तो मुश्किल ही किसी का आता है.
सही बात है.
So it's training yourself during bad days that real मतलब that's a hidden sauce I think for a new entrepreneur to understand
Hmm.
कि आप जिनको देख रहे हो वो perfect नहीं है. At the same time you seeing progress, there's also challenges that are arising. The messy, उसको messy बोलते हैं. उस टॉपिक पे कोई थॉट कि क्या मतलब मैं नया एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, आप मेरे को बैड डेज पे एक लाइक प्रीतिका 101 दे रहे हो. व्हाट इज दैट?
So
क्या सीखना है मुझे उसमें?
I think this, I have spoken about it a lot as well. When people say, what is the difference in between a first time founder and somebody who has, yeah, done a couple
Been
of
through the
different
ringer.
companies. Yeah, so I think that's what I say when I just started this journey. कुछ भी गलत होता था, मेरे को लगता था, this is the end of the world. This is the end of this company. Nothing, nothing is gonna go beyond this. But बस अब भस्म हो चुका है सब. That is the mindset, right? You don't know like क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, ये हो भी क्यों रहा है आपके साथ. But over time आप ये समझ जाते हो कि these are just problems you need to tackle. So having that mindset कि यार ये problems ही हैं, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा if something is very frustrating, I would say just sleep. That's my thing. Just go
Just
for a walk, hang out with friends, or just sleep. Take your mind off that thing. Because otherwise, you'll just go down in the spiral. Oh, everything is wrong. My life is shitty. Nothing is happening. After some time, you realize, okay, it was just a problem. I need to figure it out. Just going with that mindset कि यार सब कुछ figure out ही करना है, and it's not like things are happening to you, but you can make things happen if you figure out certain things. That really helps. So don't think things are like, I think what Instacart founder told, it's not day zero, it's everything is compounding, and you will realize at some point of time that this experience helped me now. This, like, how Steve Jobs went into
right.
calligraphy. How he says those things that really helped him build Apple, the design, the power of design, and everything. He learned from his calligraphy class. So the same thing. Just believe, you are moving forward. Move the needle every day, and it's okay. There are going to be shitty days. जो बहुत successful, like even this Loom founder, he put up this blog
Yeah.
post. Even after exiting the company for $900 million, you still can get shitty days. So
Yes.
what are we?
Yes.
तो चलते रहेंगे ये shitty days.
And मतलब money is not the win, right? Like lot of entrepreneurs are starting to speak up about this कि हमें लगा कि हम पैसे बनाएंगे, हम खुश होंगे, कंपनी बेचेंगे, खुश होंगे, आईपीओ करेंगे, खुश होंगे. And then they're like, ये क्या हुआ?
I think
उस चीज
money is, yes, a factor, because that knows that what you are doing is working also. But at the same time, I feel now at this point of time, I feel having a purpose. It's not, ki Loom, I feel like Loom definitely gave him money and a good life and everything, but it also gave him purpose for 9 years.
Yeah.
So when you don't have purpose, when you don't have why should I even wake up in the morning, that's when you start kind of losing things around. So I think that's when, your family, your community really helps. कि हाँ यार,
It's
there's
like a
some
pillar.
purpose.
There was a really great article on YC long time back. Someone talked about the a stool with three legs, and it
Mm,
was like your company is one leg, your personal relationships are one leg, your health is another leg. And if you only make your company your thing, then inevitably when it happens it's not there, your whole stool collapses.
mm.
वर्सेस अगर आपके पास
I,
तीन लेग है, एक लेग वीक हो तो you can still balance, you still don't think you're done.
I agree. I agree. Like, I think in your 20s, yes, giving everything to your work and your career is important, definitely. But I think after that, you should see things as, things in the bucket. Like, this is, my personal life. These are my relationships. These are my friends. This is my professional life. And try to give the best to everything because, yes, you can have like billions of dollars, but nobody to celebrate it with. Imagine, that could be that that is a very depressing thought actually कि you really need people around. सोचो इतने पैसे हैं मेरे पास and nobody to celebrate it with. No, I mean, so it's important. I think teaching how to be happy is also a core skill that should be taught with maths and communications कि you can actually internalize happiness. You can actually make yourself happy. It's not like, emotions hain to they are just driving you. You can control your thoughts, you can control your emotions, and you can be a happy person. That's also very important.
Nice. Okay, we've talked about some very great things. Question that's emerging for me: 20-year-old Pritika is listening to this podcast. एक सेकंड सांस लेके सोच, तो उसको 5 मिनट में क्या ज्ञान देना चाहिए, लाइक एक्चुअल की वो सुने और अब्जॉर्ब करे.
20 year old. एक्चुअली मैं ये बहुत बारी सोचती हूँ कि मैं 15 year old में like जब थी I imagined certain things for my life but what I am whatever things are happening. हाँ तो मैं 20 year old I think I will say aim like whatever what your passion is. You want to build things. I think in college also I was doing these things, so I kind of knew I always wanted to be a businesswoman or startup is a new thing. uh, but believe in like whatever you think you can achieve, aim 100x higher than that. So because when you start shooting you never know where you'll reach, and have so much confidence in yourself, so much like जितना था उससे भी बहुत ऊपर, that nothing can stop you. Anything you believe you can do, you can do. And I think, yeah, these two things I would tell myself. Like anything that you are thinking right now, उस टाइम पे बहुत चीजें impossible लगती थी यार, शायद नहीं होगा, but फिर भी I was like, okay, let's try. But just keep on doing, things will happen for you. That's what I'm gonna tell, my 20-year-old self. और ऊपर
Nice.
शूट करो और ऊपर एम करो.
100x confidence, 100x ambition.
Yeah,
Nice, cool.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. That was my last question.
Thank you.
We're like perfect ending.
Bonus.
I want to actually, before we end this, I want to know from you what is something that you'll tell your 20-year-old self. I've never asked
What
you
will I
this. We never talked about this.
Agency, taking responsibility for yourself is the only thing you need in life. कोई ना किसी की ऑब्लिगेशन है आपको कुछ देना, ना आपको किसी से एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए. You are the creator of your life and you can take steps at any given time to exercise agency. And the best entrepreneurs actually have extreme agency. जैसे आजकल ट्विटर पे चलता है ना, you can just do things. It's like really grasping that. That's one. दूसरा, I was already always a relationship person, but I thought कि money is one of the highest indicators of success. Truly, if you met me at 20 and like हम इतने close होते, I'd tell you I'm going to be the richest man on this planet. Like, and I wouldn't blink an eye. I now understand कि money is not a game to be won. Money is a resource that allows you to live the life that you want to live. So I think that would be other thing I'd understand. Teesra, I would understand कि most things are fleeting in life. There's 2 or 3 things that I think have sustaining power over a very long life period. अभी हम लोग हमारी generation, maybe if we take good care of health, we'll live till 100. बन जाएगा पैसा 5 साल में, 10 साल में, 20 साल में बन जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या करोगे? And उसका I feel answer is to lose yourself in 3 things: curiosity, love, and service. Stay curious, stay learning, build things. फर्क नहीं पड़ता, perfectionism गई घास चिढ़ने. Like, just build for the fun of it, learn for the fun of it, engage with people for like the true learning of it. That's one. दूसरा, love. Like, really, I think I have this deep belief now कि all of us are shooting for these highly ambitious things because partially we're thinking it will replace the feeling that love creates in us. So I want to like fill myself up with love. Teesra, service. You have to find something bigger than yourself. मतलब कितने ही सेल्फ ऑब्सेस हो जाओगे, 100 साल नहीं आप सेल्फ ऑब्सेस हो सकते. यू विल एक्चुअली टिक ऑफ एवरी गोल इन लाइफ एंड यू विल हैव टू थिंक बियॉन्ड योरसेल्फ. एंड वो मजा जो सर्विस देने का, एंड लाइक यू नो यू Sikhism is built on the principle of service. आप कहीं पे दुनिया में चले जाओ, आप गुरुद्वारे में जाओ, you will not be भूखा. लाइक बढ़िया, मैं तो मतलब चॉइस से गुरुद्वारे जाता हूँ कि लाइक अच्छा खाना मिलेगा, यू नो. सो सर्विस इज सो ingrained in our culture. I think service is like one of the most important things. So I would tell myself these things. Agency रखो, पैसा is not everything. Lose yourself to curiosity, service, love. चौथी चीज शायद ये बोलूंगा कि हेल्थ संभाल लो, जितनी जल्दी संभालोगे उतना अच्छा है. Like, health is truly everything. So yeah, maybe those would be the answers.
Amazing TED talk. This was very no, this is really good. I like, you know, how you have a very sorted framework.
Thank you. ये मेरा इंटरव्यू नहीं था, ये तेरा इंटरव्यू था.
Nature, I learned many things, like, you know, this service thing. It's definitely, I do believe in this, and I like how you put it. So amazing. I would love to see, you know, Gaurav at 100 years, and then we'll be chatting.
Yeah, 100%. This is Bhai is part of service, right? Like, there is a whole generation to uplift, not just in India, around the world. We live in such fortunate times कि we understand positive sum games. We understand we have enough resources in the world. We know कि creation is one of the things that gives people joy. We know people are suffering. We know people want better lives. Institutions have failed us. So अब हमें ही करना पड़ेगा, मिलजुल के एक दूसरे को उठाना पड़ेगा, राइट? जो तू कह रही है, लाइक दोस्त होते हैं, दोस्त को देख के लगता है कि दोस्त भी उठे, फिर उसके उठने से अपने आप को भी इंस्पायर होता है कि हम भी उठें. इज सेम थिंग, लाइक राइज एंड लेट अदर पीपल राइज. एंड लाइक मेरा इंटरनल मोटो मैं लिखा हुआ अपने फोन पे, मैं देखता हूँ बार बार, all communities rise. That to me is like biggest thing. And हर बंदा अपनी कम्युनिटी, जो भी आपकी डेफिनेशन ऑफ कम्युनिटी है, उसको बढ़ाओ. अपनी इमीडिएट फैमिली को बढ़ाओ, दोस्तों को बढ़ाओ, देश को बढ़ाओ, सिलिकॉन वैली को बढ़ाओ, जहां रहते हो उसको बढ़ाओ, एंड लोग बढ़ सकते हैं. ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल हैज नो सीलिंग.
Oh, amazing. That's amazing. Next question, Gaurav.
Next
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Where do I see myself in 10 years? भाइयों से बात करते हैं. I think यही पॉडकास्ट चलाएंगे. इससे इंस्पायर
Okay.
करेंगे लोगों को, सुनेंगे लोगों की. Lot of people have wisdom. There's like so many nuggets of wisdom you gave in like very like small lines. Like सबकी सुनो, अपनी करो, right? Like you said some other things about like अपने आप को जानो, बनाओ, like just do. Like action beats thinking, all of these things. These are valuable lessons. These lessons, when they come from some authoritative figure, they don't hit as hard. When they come from someone relatable, they're like must.
Chalo, hope it can help somebody, or maybe help someone find some way or get some inspiration. But amazing. Thank you, Gaurav, for having me as the chief guest.
Thank you.